Now, yesterday I talked about how we have a group of consonants which are pronounced in the same way. So these 7 consonants, 디귿, 티읕, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읓, and 히읗 are pronounced as an unreleased 디귿 sounds when they're used as 받침. However, 히읗 sort of has its own rules when it comes to how it's pronounced depending on other sounds nearby. So we'll exclude 히읗 from this group for now and we'll focus on these 6 consonants. Now, when these 6 consonants are used as 받침 and is followed by a particle or a suffix which begins with the consonant iung, then it's the sound of these consonants that link to the following syllable. Here are some example phrases. 꽃이, 꽃이, 겠어요, 겠어요. So in the first phrase, 꽃 meaning flower is followed by the subject marking particle 이. So when we have a particle after one of these 받침 consonants, then it's the sound of the consonant that follows. So this is pronounced 꽃이, 꽃이. And in the second example, after ket that uses 쌍시옷 as a 받침, it's followed by the ending 어요. And essentially, ending is a suffix. And because this suffix begins with a syllable that begins with 이응, then it's the sound of the 받침 that links. The sound of the 쌍시옷 links with the following syllable. So this phrase is pronounced 겠어요, 겠어요. However, when we use these consonants as 받침 and the following word is either a noun or a verb or an adjective, then it's not the sound of the consonant that links with the following syllable. Instead, it's the sound of 디귿, the unreleased 디귿 that links with the following syllable. Here are some examples. 밭 앞에서, 밭 앞에서. 꽃 있어요, 꽃 있어요. Now, 밭 uses 티읕 as a 받침, and the following word is 앞, which is a noun, and it means front. So when we say 밭 앞 together in a flowing way, we don't say 밭 앞, we say 밭 앞에서, 밭 앞에서. So it's the sound of unreleased 디귿 that links with the following syllable. In the second example, 꽃 uses 치읓 as a 받침, and the following word is a verb, 있어요, meaning do you have. And because the following word is a verb, it's not the sound of 치읓 that links with the following syllable, but rather the unreleased 디귿 sound. So it's not 꽃 있어요, but it's 꽃 있어요, 꽃 있어요.